Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and today we are going to be discussing vapor barriers that we're going to be selling. I'm going to show you one of them that's really important for a lot of areas because your pest control company may really prefer that you use this on the walls versus the others, and we're going to start right now. Okay, so here we are, and what I first want to discuss is that if you guys don't already know, HydroHero is going to be launching its own online store. We're going to be selling vapor barrier, drainage, access doors, access wells, vent covers, anything that you need to totally encapsulate a crawl space or to improve the crawl space you have. And one of the first things I want to show you guys is our clear 8mm woven, right? Now this is, we're going to be selling this, and we got a bunch of different lengths, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the roll that it'll come in, right? This is a small 2-foot roll just for demonstrations. But this stuff for your pest control companies, a lot of them really would prefer that if you're going to encapsulate up the walls, and in some of the regions, they prefer that they can see all the way through. So for that, we have this 8mm that is 100% reinforced woven. You can see in the camera all the, whoa, a little bit out of focus there. Sorry about that. So anyways, this is 100% woven. You can't rip this stuff, stretch it in any type of way. This is super durable. And as you can see, well, maybe we'll do it this way. You can see my ugly tattoo here, but you can see right through it. So any of those termite shelter tubes that are going up the wall, everybody will be able to see it. Your pest control company will love you because, hey, you've encapsulated and you gave them the best type of termite inspection shield that they could have. I prefer to do white anywhere that we can, but if we're working in an area and the termite inspection the pest control companies really want a big gap, this is another way to go. This again is super durable, and it's got a ridiculous puncture resistance. So, all right, so now that I've got a little hole, as you can see in there, try our best to. You're not going to rip this unless you're taking something like some scissors and you're pressing down with everything you got to get a hole punctured into that. You're going to have a real hard time, but it does cut very easily, so it's really easy to install. And that's taking everything I got to try to even tear it a little bit. So extremely durable liner here. We got a lot of other liners that we'll be discussing, but this is a main staple. So this is also, instead of the 6mm plastic that the builders are putting down there anyways, this is very economical and extremely strong. Again, this probably has better resistance to punctures and tears than most of your scrim liners that have a 20mm, let's say, that they're putting on the ground in the walls. This stuff is extremely durable. So look for this in our upcoming store as we turn around and start selling this to all you DIY guys, and we have contractor pricing as well. So look for more stuff. We hope you like this video. In the comments below, if you want to see some other different materials that we might sell, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. And if you like this video and these style videos about us showing you this type of stuff, please put a yes down in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this, and we really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching this video. That's all I got for now. You guys have an absolutely wonderful day. Take care.